Standing like a sleek glass-fronted sentinel in the city of London, Pan Pacific London offers a striking departure from the familiar stately bastions in Mayfair and Knightsbridge. Since opening, it's brought a slice of contemporary Singaporean hospitality to the square mile, where high urban energy outside combines with a zen-like calm inside. Being just a 2-minute walk from Liverpool Street Station, you have the underground and overground converging on your doorstep, along with the Elizabeth Line, which takes you to Heathrow in around 40 minutes, and mainline trains connecting you to Stansted Airport, East Anglia and Cambridge. Walking into reception, it feels less like a traditional hotel lobby and more like a private residence, thanks to New York design firm Yabu Pushelberg, which designed all communal areas and guest rooms, marrying the hotel's dual influences of British refinement with the botanical richness of Singapore's tropical landscape. Reception lies immediately to the left, and its organically shaped desk sits in contrast to a contemporary take on British linear plaid paneling. The property offers 237 rooms, including 42 suites across multiple categories, each designed to evoke the tranquility of English and Asian gardens, through layered color and tactile materials. All rooms have floor-to-ceiling windows, Nespresso machine, a Dyson hairdryer, and Joe Loves bathroom products. Deluxe rooms at 37 square meters embody a familiar English style with calming neutral tones and marble bathrooms. For families and friends, their deluxe double-double, 41 square meters, accommodates up to 4 guests across 2 queen-sized beds. Premier rooms, 39 to 44 square meters, include pastel touches, while executive rooms are finished in natural wood finishes and have a defined living area. During my stay, I was hosted in the Devonshire suite on the 19th floor. Entry is via a timber-clad hallway, with a clever little keyholder standing on the left-hand side beside a full-length mirror. To the right, the amenities station is tucked into the cabinetry, stocked with premium drinks and spirits, a Nespresso machine, alongside a traditional Asian teapot and cups. Beyond the entrance hall, the suite opens into a corner lounge with a curved velvet sofa. To one side, a focal point moss and lamb botanical mural of Southeast Asian flora and fauna sits, and to the other, an organic formed sculptural floor lamp. At the end of the room, a playful touch with a vintage-style record player sits perched on a wood-grain cabinet, and across from the sofa, a flat-screen TV sits against the paneling. Through an adjoining doorway into the bedroom, a king-size bed, and above the headboard, a backlit artwork depicts oak branches and persimmons, rendered in muted watercolor tones. One of 4 arboreal themes, oak, elder, elm and maple, species English in origin and brought to life using Asian brushstrokes. Walls curve gently throughout, and an angular corner window wraps around the space. A rather beautiful, sleek, curved desk is positioned by the window, which provided me with an inspiring workspace as I caught up on some emails. And across from the bed, a second flat-screen TV. Through to the bathroom, which is split into 3 areas, with a separate WC sits behind its door, while the main vanity area occupies the central space, and a dedicated mosaic-tiled wet room houses a tub and separate rainfall shower. Also a mention about the Joe Loves amenities, which are a joy to use, and the neatly presented amenities box, which contains all those things you might forget: hairbrush, shaving kit, dental kit, shower cap and comb. Being on the 19th floor gives you a bird's-eye view of the city below. By daylight, Liverpool Street Station's ornate Victorian facade offers a reminder of London's architectural heritage, as it sits sandwiched between modern, sleek glass buildings. On the first floor, Straits Kitchen offers an all-day dining experience celebrating Pan Pacific's roots. Taking its name from the Straits of Malacca, a historic maritime route long connecting Asia's cuisines and flavors. Here, the residential feel continues with oversized pendant lights hanging at varying lengths, while tall planters and botanical fabrics on upholstered seating continue the garden theme, and a curved banquette creates a distinct seating area. That evening, we opted for the 5-place experience menu. After a very relaxing evening and good sleep, I make my way down to breakfast, which is also served in Straight's kitchen and as polished as its dinner service. Once seated, the experience begins with an invitation to the extensive continental buffet room. Here you will find an impressive spread of fresh fruits, charcuterie, cheeses, cereals, jams and preserves and bakery items to start things off. Hot food items are selected from the à la carte menu, which offers a range of familiar favorites like the full English breakfast, porridge, and French toast, with subtle Southeast Asian influences like their prawn and pork dumpling wonton soup. If their first floor feeds the stomach, the fourth floor, sensory spa, feeds the soul. Here, an entire level has been dedicated to holistic health and perhaps the most comprehensive spa in the area. Its centerpiece is undoubtedly its infinity pool, which reveals itself gradually, first glimpsed as you walk from the changing rooms and then in full as you descend the stairs to the pool deck.